Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own rocket fuel at home. Each item is listed in the description box below. Start by taking a digital scale and setting it to grams, then go ahead and zero it out. Once it is zeroed, grab your potassium nitrate. A common place to get this is stump remover, but you can buy larger quantities in bulk. The ratio I like to use is 66% potassium nitrate and 34% sugar. Now, once you're ready to start mixing, grab your plastic container and begin measuring out the amount of potassium nitrate you need for your project. In this example, we will be using exactly 100 grams of potassium nitrate, but use whatever amount you need to satisfy your needs. Once you have the exact amount of potassium nitrate you need, go ahead and grab a disposable blender, because you are going to need to blend this to a fine powder. Alright, go ahead and turn it on, and begin blending. Shake the container continuously to grind up the entire contents of the blender. This process can take up to several minutes, so be patient because the finest powder works the best. The potassium nitrate will be done blending when it has the consistency of powdered sugar. The next step is to measure out the amount of sugar needed for the project, so you can go ahead and start that now. In this example, we are using 50 grams of sugar to meet our ratio. Once you have made it this far, grab your pan and your portable source of heat, because it is time to melt the chemicals together. Go ahead and dump both the potassium nitrate and the sugar into a pan and give it a mix. You can go ahead and start your stove and then set it to a low setting. Place your pan over the heat and begin stirring. You will want to continuously stir the fuel to make sure the heat is evenly dispersed and to avoid hot spots. This entire process can take up to 15 minutes, so be patient, take your time, and just keep stirring. After 5 minutes or so, you will begin to see nuggets begin to form. This is normal and is a good sign. You will want to keep stirring until you begin to see the sugar begin to caramelize into the potassium nitrate. It will begin to look like a golden color brown and almost resemble peanut butter at some point. When it looks like caramel, you are nearly finished. Just stir a little while longer. When it resembles smooth peanut butter, you're done. Now it is time to pour into whatever motor you have selected. Just keep pouring until the entire contest fills up to the level where you desire. That's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give me a subscribe and a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.